How to turn off location on Find My iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode over here. On this page, scroll down and go to Stolen Device Protection. Here, make sure the Stolen Device Protection is turned off. Now, go back and tap on Privacy and Security. From here, you can control which apps can access your data, location, camera, and microphone, and also manage protections. Tap on Location Services at the top. On this page, tap on Share My Location as shown. Here, go to Find My iPhone. As you can see, Find My iPhone can be turned off when the Stolen Device Protection is turned off as well. So after that, you can turn off the Find My iPhone option. Following these steps, you can easily turn off location on Find My iPhone.